Welcome to How to Solve.
Hi there! In this video, I'll show you how to make a Roblox t-shirt. Let's go! So as you can see here, we are on Roblox. So the first thing you need to do is go to the Roblox website. Then all you want to do is come to the top of Roblox and go and tap on Create Now. If you haven't gone and tapped Create Now before, you're going to be seeing this big page saying Manage Creations. But what you want to do is go and tap on the option below it, this big box, and then all you want to do is make sure My Creations is selected here on the left. And now go and look for the option for t-shirts. We also have the option here for shirts, but for today's video, we're gonna be learning on how to make a t-shirt in Roblox. T-shirts are actually just slightly different with shirts. Just to quickly give you a brief explanation, the main difference is with this shirt, you sort of have to design the whole shirt, but with a t-shirt, you can just upload an image. And the t-shirts, the nice thing about it is that it's also free. So as you can see, we've got this option for create a t-shirt. So firstly, you need to go and find your image. Let's say I want to use this logo for how to solve. But if you don't have any image just yet, you can just go to Google and search for any photo that you want to use for your shirt. Now, the next thing that we have to do is upload it back to Roblox. In this case, I'm just going to click on choose file on my file explorer. It will then open and then just look for the image that I've downloaded, this logo, double click on it and then press on open. Now it's going to be uploaded and now here we go. There we have it. And then what we need to do is go name it. So you can name this anything that you want. I'm just going to name this video example as this is what this is for. And then all you want to do is tap upload just like so. And as you can see, it's now loading. And it's going to go and say t-shirt successfully created. And here it is now. It is very important to note, however, that it's not appearing just yet because Roblox sort of moderates it and uploads it and process the image. So it may take sort of 10 to 20 minutes to be there and to show up on our Roblox page. But it may take longer in some cases. But now I want to go and show you some more features we can do with this. So all you want to do is come to the right hand side and go and look for configure. Just like so. And wait for it to load. And then as you can see, we're now on this sort of Roblox create page. You can go and change the name from here if you'd like. If you change your mind, you can also go and change the description. So I could say this is for how to solve channel, and then you can also go and put the t-shirt on sale. So I could just click on this and then go and set a price. For example, let's say 10 Roblox. And you get to keep 70 due to the 30% tax, and then you press save changes once you're done. There we have it. As you can see, and then you just want to go and press back to avatar items. And if you want to go and head back to Roblox, just go and type in roblox.com again. And here we are back on Roblox. Now you probably want to go and wear that shirt that you just created. To do that, all you have to do is tap on avatar like so and wait for it to load. And I can go and see my t-shirt in the recent section. But if you can't find it, then just go and tap on clothing. Then go to the bottom of the options. Press on classic t-shirts like so. It will also take a moment to load, and as you can see here, there we have it. I can just go and tap on it, just like so. And then my avatar will be able to wear this t-shirt.
Please like and subscribe for more content. We'll see you in the next one.